In this next series, we will demonstrate a real-world scenario using the TASER Strike Light 2. Christy will have a strong mindset, be situationally aware, and attempt to manage her distance between potential threats. It should be noted that the TASER Strike Light 2 does not propel probes downrange, and rather than neuromuscular incapacitation, it is a pain compliance device only. You must make contact with the TASER Strike Light 2 to the assailant. We'll give a series of commands to illustrate this real-world scenario. Christy, are you ready?
Ready.
With Christy managing distance, the primary way in which we can use the Strike Light 2 is the following. On the command of ready, she will assume a fighting stance. Ready!
Get back!
On the command of arm, she will arm the device. Arm.
Stay back!
Red light. Turns the red light on. Low light. Low light is on. Highlight. The highlight comes on and she will blind the actor's eye along with verbal commands.
Stay back! Stop!
If this fails, she can continue to de-escalate by arcing the device on the command of threat. Threat!
Stay back! Stop!
Utilizing the TASER as a means of self-defense with distance, the assailant has decided that Christy is a hard target and will flee the area. At this point, Christy will also flee the area and notify the police. In this next scenario, utilizing the TASER Strike Light 2, distance is compromised, and therefore de-escalation is not an option. On the command of ready, Christy will arm the TASER. On the command of threat, Christy will strike out with the TASER Strike Light 2 to a vulnerable body part and then flee the area. Ready?